us your time. For now, viewers, it's time to shift focus and take a look at what's happening in Punjab. Now, the wife of the BSF Jawan, Purnam Sahu, who was detained by Pakistan Rangers after inadvertently crossing the international border, has arrived at the Chandigarh airport from West Bengal's Hooghly. In fact, she's all set to head to Firozpur, a place which is very close to Pathankot at the Punjab-Jammu border, to speak to officials in regards to her husband's release, who was inadvertently taken away by the Pakistani Rangers. Now, also joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Lalit, who's following the story from ground and is reporting from Firozpur. Lalit, speak to us about the developments. Has his wife arrived yet? If not, how much more time?
Well, if we talk about the wife of BSF Jawan who has been detained, who accidentally crossed the international line of control on 23rd April now, after reaching the Chandigarh airport, she has headed towards the Kangra in Himachal Pradesh, where she would be meeting the commanding officer of that battalion in which the Jawan has been posted. Right now, that battalion has been shifted to Kangra. So, first of all, she would be meeting the commanding officer of that BSF in Kangra, and after that, she would be heading towards Firozpur, where this whole incident has happened on 23rd April. So, right now, 3 rounds of flag meetings have held with the Pakistan Rangers, but still the BSF Jawan has been kept captive. He has not been released. Yesterday also the 2 rounds of the flag meetings were being conducted by the Indian side, but the Pakistani Rangers did not turn up. Very clearly they have said that now the higher authorities would decide what to do next. So BSF have conveyed this message to the Home Ministry, and now the next level of meeting would be done between the higher officials, that is the Home Ministry. So it's been around 6 days. Still, the BSF Jawan has been kept in the Pakistani detentions, and till now he has not been released. But the wife has travelled all the way from West Bengal, Hooghly to Punjab. Today she would be in Kangra, and later she would be coming to Firozpur as per the inputs. Back to the studio.
Right, Lalit. Thanks very much for getting us those key details. In fact, of course,